Hey, we're back. The very first computer build that I'm going to do. So let's show all the parts we have in store today. It is the Raid Max Super Blade as the case. Red edition because, I don't know, this whole room is red. Then with the motherboard we have a brand new, I found this in my garage a few nights ago and it's just sitting there unused. It's the E7 ARM-DS2H from Gigabyte S series. That's going to be the board. The processor, I still have to pick it out, and yeah, I don't have that big Dell server anymore because it would not respond. I scrapped it, and these are the two Xeons from inside it, so that's just extra parts now. But the processor I'm going to use is this, which is a Pentium. It's an Intel E5500 Pentium. That's going to be the CPU for this board. And then the video card is going to be a GeForce GS 7950 with 512 megabytes of RAM. That's just going to be a reference card just to boot the system and whatnot. We're gonna have 8 gigs of Hynix DDR2 666 megahertz RAM, 2 Western Digital 500 gig hard drives for storage, and a 400 gigabyte Hitachi Deskstar for the boot drive. And then we have an Evercool CPU cooler for the 775 socket, 2 fans, you saw the processors already, some random $2 thermal paste, a Lepov N500 power supply, and the NZXT Sentry 2, which I have been installing on every system I build. I don't know if you can see the one in the corner, but that one has it too. So that's it. Let's get this built. Oh, and that's gonna be another video. 7950 GT. Okay, that's stronger than what I thought it was. This is going to be the puppy that turns on and displays what I want to display on that screen. Which is not relevant because once I'm done, this thing is never going to turn back on for me. You're kidding. I tore off the wrong port. There's one mistake you shouldn't do. Tear off the wrong port because then more dust is going to get in your system. The video card is in. And I gotta screw it in place. Oh, that's hanging a lot. I gotta hurry with this so it doesn't damage that. Where'd my screwdriver go again? Gotta hold that video card up. Go in there. It's hard to hold this case from slipping and securing a video card. Oh my god. I need to lay this down. Video card is in place, nice and firm. Guess that's it. I'm just gonna have to do wiring, cable management, and then I'll get back to you guys. So yeah, see ya. Here it is. The Storm Rider completed in all its glory. No lights, nothing, but I tested it, it turns on, everything's a-okay. The next step is just getting Linux on it, doing all my stuff, and then I'll probably do a future video on this.